Hello, hello. And this is the day 11 of learning English with me. And I am on my terrace. And oh my god, look at the view of my village. It is all everywhere is misty, and my daughter and my son is also playing there. So I'm very worried about because it's very cold right now. And right now I have just taken shower and I am on my terrace for wondering what is happening outside, because when you uh, like all day when you live in a house, inside house, so it's feel like very it's like a cage. So that's why I am here, and let me show you some my village view. Over there is some shop, and so let me tell you about your area. How is the weather in your area? Because now it's very foggy and misty. You can see the weather become very cold. My teeth is like chattering, and I'm shivering. I didn't wear sweater because I just taken a shower, and I just got opportunity to speak at least 5 minutes, because I have taken 60-day English speaking challenge. So whenever I get time, I just don't miss this opportunity to speak without any pause, without thinking. Whatever comes in my mind, I just try to speak out with you, because it's like a very blessing thing for me, because I'm very enjoying this thing. And look at the view. Another side, there is some field over there. So this is the condition of my village. So I was just talking about my English learning journey. I have started 3 months ago, and I have been consistently doing it. So I am very happy. You can say I am on cloud 9, because I have completed 11 days. So, and you can see right now I'm feeling very confident, so I can speak without any script, because when you consistently practice, then it's happen one day. If you are also learning English and words doesn't come in your mind, then you can start recording yourself. Whatever comes in your mind, you can try to just speak out, because every native speaker once was a beginner like us. So don't try to be perfect every sentence, because it's a language and we can do it successfully. So hope you will like the video, because I don't want to bore the people. Like everybody have some spaces time, and when I make long video, then people just get bored of thing. And if you like any segment of video, then let me know in the comment section. If you have any doubt, any question, if you all are also a beginner like me, then you can follow my channel, and we can do it together, because my goal is to be achieve fluency in 2026 at the end of the year. So we will do it together. So best of luck all of you. Keep learning, keep growing, and never forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you.